He's a little bit sketchy on some of this. He thinks he doesn't have to do it anymore. Phineas, handstand in the back somersault, okay? You ready? Phineas, handstand in the back somersault, please. You're a very good bird. I love you. Yeah, you're a good baby. You can let go now, okay? Thank you. Let go. All of I say all of it. Let me do this. There's no way. How about we try to bomb, Phineas? You wanna? I'm gonna whistle, you're gonna explode, okay? You ready? You ready? I can't whistle if you're biting me. Supposed to explode now. Thank you. My hand like this one? At least please. That's okay. Let it go. It's his way of just being an obstructionist. Yourself. I forgot. There you go. Little cuts right on top of your face.
Wow.
Well, how you doing? You see the bird? I'm so scared of this thing. Yeah. You catch it? How about we try this one? Whoops. Keep your hand there. Keep your hand there. Don't pull it back. He gets scared then. Go night-night. You're tired, babe? I said go to sleep. Shake your head. No. Come here. All right. Come. Bark. Give him a kitty kitty. Phineas. Yeah, I love you. You're a good baby. Do a kitty kitty. No. Kitty kitty first. Kitty kitty first. Kitty kitty first. Did you want to hold him right quick? And then I'm going to do some bird tricks, and then you can hold him if you want to. You let loose of me. One hand only. Right there. You got him. This hand over here. Little cuts on top of the head. He's a sweet baby. Oh, well, thank you, sir. Oh, we'll put it right here for Phineas. Oh, here we go, Phineas. Whoops. Phineas. How about we try some tricks? You want to see some? We got a young man who wants to see tricks. We'll be right there. Phineas, come here, you. Come here, you. Let loose of me. Phineas.
He is tired.
Did you see him taking that? Let's start over, Phineas. Here we go. Whoops. Handstand in the back somersault. Okay, you ready? Phineas, handstand in the back somersault. Whoa! He did! Phineas. Phineas. It's okay. Step on the... Let it go. Whoops. Okay. Watch the bird. Here we go. Whoops. 360. Whoops. Catch him! He did! It's just pretend, okay? I'm not going to hurt the bird. I'm going to punch him in the nose. Just pretend. You ready, Phineas? Right in the kisser. I know. You think you could do two hands? I might want to come around behind you. Okay. You want to do two hands? See, watch mom. What do you do? You want to try?
I'll hold with you.
Okay.
Hands out.
Put your hands together. No? Did you ever see parrot ears? Did you parrots have ears?
Stop recording mine.
Okay.
That's okay. There you go. He's a good baby. You can